Hello, guys. I'm going to continue with Chapter 6. Remember, in Chapter 5, Lena and Dune found out that the mayor was the one who was in this secret room with a bunch of food and drinks. He was stealing special stuff, food, from the citizens. Remember, they don't have much food. They don't even have peaches. But the mayor, gobbling it all up. So here we go. Chapter 6, The Way Out. Lena, at Miss Murdo's, there's Poppy. She's looking over the instructions. What are you working on, dear? It's kind of like a puzzle, Miss Murdo. I have to figure out what some of these words are. Like this one, it starts out instructions for Agres. It must be someone's name, like Egriston. Egriston. I don't think so. If you add an S to that word, you get egress. Do you know what that means? No. It means the way out. It means exit. The first line of your puzzle reads instructions for egress. Caterpillar. Or in a cocoon. Dune's checking it out. Looks like he's loving it. He's like, oh, so cool. Egress! It's meant to be egress with two S's. I showed the instructions to Miss Murdo and she told me it means the way out. The way out? Yes, the way out. Uh, the exit, it's instructions for the way out of Ember. So it is real. It is. We have to figure out the rest, or as much of the rest as possible. All right, let's take the first line. We know that orc is Pipeworks. Exp could be expand or explore or expose. There's a big space between exp and the rest. There must be more words in there. But who knows what they are? Let's move on. Look at number 2. What could that be? Maybe piston, that's part of a machine like the generator, or maybe it's astonish, or it could be. I bet it's just plain stone. There's a lot of stone in the pipeworks. So then it could be stone marked with E. This must be river's edge. Stone marked with E by the river's edge. E for egress. E for exit. There's not much left on this page, just this part, which must say down riverbank to edge something. Down riverbank to edge. Maybe it's ledge? Down riverbank to ledge? There could be a ledge down near the water. Yeah, that must be right. There's a stone marked with E, and down the riverbank at that point where there's a ledge, I think we're getting it. Look, here it says key, and here it says EY. It's talking about a key. There it is, and there it is. If we do find the way out, we'll need to announce it to everyone. Wouldn't it be great to do it during the singing? It would, but it's only 2 days away. Yes, we have to hurry. Lights out in 15 minutes. I have to go. Come see me tomorrow, and while you're at work, look for the rock marked with E. Okay, see you tomorrow. So looking back at this, electricity or the lights get turned out at 9 at night. Probably to save electricity. Dune in bed thinking. Closing his eyes. Daydreaming. Maybe sleeping. Goes down in the pipeworks. Sees that room where the mayor was. Do not enter. But he looks to the left. Sees some rocks. Sees a rock. There's an E on it. The next day, there's Lena in the messenger booth. Lena! I've been looking all over for you. I found the E. At least it looks like an E. It must be, though you wouldn't know it if you weren't looking for it. Where is it? Down at the west end of the river, near where it goes into that great hole in the pipeworks wall. And listen, we could go there right now because of the rehearsals. Everyone's going home, so the pipeworks will be empty. Let's go. They go down there. There's the yellow uniform from Dune. There's the door that was locked, but they found the mayor, and some rocks. There's the E for egress. So from here we should look down at the river. That's what the instruction says. Remember, they have no swimming pools. They don't know how to swim. So seeing a bunch of water rushing past is probably pretty scary. But they see a ladder. I see it! I see a ladder, but I don't see the ledge. I'm sure it's there. I'll go first, then you follow. Wow, he's really brave. They're going down carefully, slowly. There's the ledge. Over here, come on. They shuffle over, look inside. What's there? There's a door, shaped as an E, a keyhole. The instructions say to look for a small steel panel. A steel panel. That's what it's supposed to say. Not pan, but panel. Click, click. What is that? It's a key. She brings it to the door. Click. What's in here? So dark. The wall, it's smooth. The floor, too. Wait, I found something. It's a box. I think 2 boxes. They look familiar, don't they? There's something else here, too. It's big and has a curved edge. The boxes are small enough to lift. Let's take them out where it's lighter and we can see what they are. They take them out next to the the river's edge on the ledge. They open it up. Candles, matches. Can light the candle. And I don't remember if I've even seen fire so far. So far in the story, they haven't shown fire, so maybe they don't use fire in Ember. I don't really know. And now we can go back into that room and see what's there. They walk with the candle. What is that? Boat. Look, there's a word on the side. Boat. I've heard of the word, but what does it mean? I don't know. And here's another word on the poles. Paddles. Remember, they don't have water. So why would they they do have water to drink, but they don't have water for swimming and going on a boat. So they don't really know what those words are because they don't use them. The only paddle I know is the one Miss Polster uses on kids who misbehave. Look, right here, oat must be boat right there. And the next part must say stocked with necessary equipment. Necessary equipment. That must be what's in the boxes. This word must be ropes and lower, and then the word over there must be downstairs, head downstairs. Maybe it says head downstairs. That doesn't make sense. There aren't any stairs except the ones that go up. Downstream. The word must be downstream, not downstairs. It must say something like use the ropes to lower the boat and head downstream. The boat goes on the water. It's something to use. But that means there's no tunnel leading out of Ember. To leave Ember, we have to go on the river. But this can't be right. If the river is the only way out of Ember, why is there just one boat? It's only big enough for 2 people. I don't know, it's strange. Let's look around some more. Look, another door. Boats. Tons and tons of boats. There must be hundreds. Enough for everyone. They come out, blow the candle out. Well, we found it. Yeah, we found it. And tomorrow, at the start of the singing, we'll stand up and tell the whole city. End of chapter 6. Did you enjoy it? They found the way out. Is the story over? Is that the solution? Or is the story going to be getting bigger? Or will there be another problem? I guess we'll find out next.